Hey moneymakers, ready to unlock the secret sauce to earn big bucks by just watching YouTube videos? Well, you're in for a treat. In this guide, I'm going to spill the beans on a smart money tactics that's making people a fat stack of free PayPal money in 2024. So buckle up and let's dive into the details. Before I reveal how to do this, drop a comment down below telling me your location. Like, I'm from blank, aka your country, with your goal of how much money you want to make online. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Also, don't forget, I've got some bonus tips coming your way later that can help you rake in double or even triple the cash compared to others. So make sure to stick around and watch till the end. Now guess what? You could be making $8 for every YouTube video you watch. Yup, you heard that right. Here's the secret sauce. Just head over to YouTube, pick any video, and watch at least 30 seconds of it. Easy, right? Well, check this out. People from around the world are cashing in on this legit strategy. One video nets you $8, 10 videos get you $80, and with 30 videos a day, you're looking at a sweet $240. The best part? Repeat the process as much as you want. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to get started. Now, before you get started, you'll need a YouTube account. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get you set up and ready to roll. Search Google account in your browser. Then, click on the first link that comes up in the results. If you don't have an account, no sweat. Create one by clicking Create Account. It's a breeze, and it's 100% free. Once you're logged in, you're ready to embark on your money-making journey. Now go ahead and go to YouTube with your new account. So once you're in your YouTube account, you'll see this cool menu on the left. You can check out the cream of the crop in various categories like music, sports, gaming, movies, news, you name it. Now, here's the fun part. Hit up gaming, and it'll whisk you away to a page where tons and tons of people are glued to their screens watching video games. The crazy thing? Most of them have no clue they could be making some sweet free PayPal money from all this. But guess what? Today, I've got the inside scoop on a trick that no one's really blabbing about. It's like a secret handshake to pocket some free PayPal cash in 2024, and it takes just a few minutes. You know what's crazy? Folks are scoring $5 over and over for every video they kick back and watch. Let's dive in. But hey, real quick before we reveal all these money-making tips, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes. And if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video next week to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. So just to be crystal clear, this is totally free, and it's a legit way to grab some free PayPal cash in 2024. YouTube is like the global party where everyone's invited. No matter where you are, you can jump in and start raking in that PayPal dough. Now, remember the bonus tips I mentioned earlier? Well, here's one coming up. Go ahead and zero in on that GTA 5 category. It's blowing up right now. Hit that category and voila! You'll be on a page loaded with GTA 5 gameplay videos. And you might even catch a live stream in action. Cool, right? Now here's step 2. Just kick back and click on any of these live videos. Take this one for example. One little click and boom! You're on the next page smack in the middle of a live stream. Check out the crowd. Loads of folks tuning in. The demand for these videos is sky high. And that means your chance to scoop up some sweet free PayPal cash in 2024 just got even juicier. Hey, don't even think about clicking away just yet, because in a bit, I've got another bonus tip that's like unlocking the cheat code for making 10 times more money than the rest. And guess what? You can rinse and repeat this trick for a bunch of different videos in this category. It's a money-making loop, my friend. Now, to transform those YouTube watch sessions into real cash, let's hop over to the second site in the playbook. Here's where the magic happens. People are bagging $5 bills left and right by watching videos using this slick strategy. On this site, you get to play around with shortening URL links and score some free PayPal cash. And hey, no stress. I'll break it down in a way that's way easier than you might think. Piece of cake. And guess what? Hardly anyone's chatting about this trick at the moment. And it's your golden ticket to stacking up some sweet PayPal dollars in 2024. Stick around till the end of the video, and you'll be in on the secret sauce. Now, the game plan is easy as pie. First things first, you're gonna want to sign up on this site. Once you're in, it's all about shortening the URLs of various YouTube videos. I'll walk you through the ropes in just a sec. And bam! You're on your way to bagging some free PayPal cash for every single video. Ready for a quick demo? While you're kicking back watching these YouTube videos, just scroll down a bit and voila! Spot that share button? Hit it! Once you do, you'll lay eyes on the YouTube URL link for the gaming video you're vibing with. Now, get cozy with that copy button and give it a click. Copy-paste that link back into the website, toss it into the box, and hit that nifty little button. Watch the magic happen as this site does its thing, turning that lengthy YouTube link into a fresh, unique one. Now, every time people click on this cool, unique link, ka-ching! That's your cue to rake in some dough, just like all these other people making bank on this platform. And the best part? Once you've stacked up your earnings, it's time to party. Cash out those bucks straight into your PayPal, Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, Payeer, you name it. Oh, what's the website, you ask? It's 7r6.com. So let's break it down step by step. For step 1, bounce back to the home base and hit up that sign up button in the top right corner. Once you're in, it's smooth sailing. They'll walk you through crafting a shiny new account, no strings attached, and it's open to the whole wide world. Toss in your username, email, whip up a password, check the terms and privacy policy box, then hit the register button. Boom! You're in. When you log in, your dashboard's gonna look a little something like this. Now, aim for that top left button that says New Shortened Link. That's your golden ticket. Time to grab those YouTube URL links. Step 2, just head back to your chosen video. Hit share, snag that URL, swing back to your dashboard, paste it in the box. And don't forget to give it a cool alias, like GTA 5 for the video's name. Hit that shorten button, and bingo! Your link is ready for action. Step 3, rinse and repeat for up to 3 different videos. The more you snag and shorten, the more cash you're rolling in. Remember the golden rule I shared? Just keep doing what works. Rinse and repeat to hit the jackpot in the online money game. Scout for those trending YouTube vids. Nab the link and give it the snip with the magic touch of 7r6.com. Before we get to the 4th step, just a quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. Now, let's move on to the 4th step. Jump over to steamcommunity.com. It's like the go-to hangout for gamers. A place where gamers chat, spill their strategies, and geek out over different games. Currently, the buzz is all about games such as Counter-Strike, Lethal Company, and so much more, with folks diving deep into discussions, racking up millions of views daily. This is your jackpot moment to ride the wave and turn the YouTube videos of trending games into a treasure chest of free PayPal money with the magic touch of 7r6.com. Go ahead and create a free account on Steam Community, the gaming hub where players unite. Now, throw in a post about GTA 5 or any other game that's catching fire. Drop your shortened link from 7r6.com into that post, and boom! You're about to roll in clicks from gamers eager to check it out. Each click translates into sweet free PayPal money. Seriously, from just one video, you could be raking in hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. It's like turning your gaming instincts into cold, hard cash. And that's how you can make $8 for every video watched. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for sticking around. If you're into making that sweet PayPal money, don't forget to check out our other videos for more fortune guides. Remember, your easy cash is just a click away. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you're always updated on more ways to rake in cash. Until the next video!